Hi YouTube, I'm going to show you how to install Jenkins on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux server. I'm going to select this one, make sure it's T2 free. Edit the security groups. We're going to add a security rule, port 8080. Click review and launch, create a new key pair, AWS Jenkins, download that key pair. It's in our downloads folder. We're going to launch the instances. Now we're going to go to view instances. Alright. We're going to go to this instance. And we are going to wait till it starts up. I made a README file for you to view so you can follow this tutorial as well as the YouTube video. Type in bash on CMD, and then we need to cd to our downloads folder. I want to chmod that PEM file so that we are able to access this instance. So I'm going to chmod that PEM file. I think it's AWS Jenkins.pem, whatever your PEM file's name is. Copy this URL after clicking connect. I want to sudo paste it in our password here. Server's still not up. So we're going to wait till the server's up. It's initializing. So yeah, first chmod ssh yum install Java 1.8. See if it's working. There we go. Type in yes. Clear. Alright, we're on our instance. I'm going to type in yum. Check if we have yum. Cool. Yum install Java 1.8 star. I need to beat root. So a bunch of these commands will require root to install. We're in a test server, so it's a good environment to test these things out. Yes. Downloading all the packages. Cool, complete. Since we're gonna need to use sudo a lot, we just type sudo su so we don't have to do it. Yum-y install wget. Great. Copy this. I want to type it all. This is just importing the keys from Jenkins. And now we're going to install Jenkins. Alright, it's downloading. Great. Now I want to type in systemctl start Jenkins. Okay, it said nothing, that's fine. That means it's working. And then I want to confirm it's working. Cool, it's working. Jenkins automation server, so this is for automation of processes on the web. Now I want to type in systemctl enable Jenkins. This will just start the server automatically when the server's up. It'll never go down unless you terminate the server on AWS EC2. Okay, so now that it's running, I want to go to the EC2 management. I want to grab the public DNS, or you can grab either key or either IP address. Just do this one. Type in 8080 here. Cool. Jenkins is now running. Now I need to get the password for Jenkins. I want to do cat password. There it is right there. Paste it. And we don't need to install plugins right now. I'll show that later. So we'll start using Jenkins. Okay. Hold on, let me get rid of this. Okay. We can configure the admin here. If you click admin, configure, you can change the password, change the username, add API tokens, SSH public keys, things like that. But this is just for testing, and I'm just going to stop the server anyway, so I don't need to do that. So create a new project. We're say test example freestyle project. Description, example YouTube tutorial. Great. Now we can build our shell file automatically or periodically. So go in here. Let's do it. You can schedule a task every minute, every 15 seconds. This is you just have to Google cron job or cron tab, but I'm gonna make it run every minute. Actually, I don't think that's how you do it, but anyways, run cron tab every minute. So it's just 5 stars. So put in 5 stars. See, it says this error, but this is just an example. We can do like every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes. It doesn't really matter. Just matters on when you want to run it. You know, I'd run a cron job every like 5 minutes or so, depending on what you need to do. All right, now I'm going to add a build step and have an execute shell. So for this, I want to execute a command. I'm just going to say echo hello YouTube first tutorial for DevOps. Apply, save. Now we can go back to our dashboard, see our test example. It's already running. See. Then we can go to console output. Hello YouTube first DevOps tutorial success. Great. Now we can have multiple jobs, as you can see. I can also run the build right here. It'll run instantly. I can enable auto refresh and so forth. I'll add configuration management later on so we can secure our Jenkins server. Thanks for watching.